Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the brake light switch on most Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda. The car that I'm replacing the brake light switch on is Audi A4B7, but the procedure is similar for most Audis, Volkswagen, Seat and Skoda. This is the fault code, it's P0571 cruise brake switch circuit malfunction. When you have this fault code, you might have a parking brake light on the dash, or your rear brake lights might not be working. When you have this fault code, the problem most of the time is the stop light switch, which is on the brake pedal. Most of the cases will be this brake light switch. Sometimes it might be the wiring harness, but you should check first the wiring harness for power and ground. To get access to this brake light switch, you need to remove this plastic panel. This plastic panel is held by a couple of bolts. First we need to remove this one because there is a bolt in there, and also there's another two bolts underneath. I'll show you where they are. First one is just behind this metal plastic panel, and it's a 10mm bolt right there. There's another two bolts holding it. One of them is on that side, and the other one is here on this side, on the closer side. And afterwards you can just pull it out. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video you'll find links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Once all the bolts are removed, now we can just pull it out and then take it out and put it to the side. Here you need to unplug the OBD as well and then take it out. Now we have access to the brake light switch. I'll show you where it is. It's right on the brake pedal. It's that black thing over there. It's this one over there, and this is the electrical connector for it. To take out the brake light switch, first we need to remove the electrical connector. There's two tabs on the electrical connector that we need to push in and then pull out the connector. Here I show you the two tabs that we need to push in. These are the two tabs right there, and then pull it out. Next we're going to remove the brake light switch. To remove the brake light switch we need to turn it counterclockwise about 45 degrees and then take it out. Here you can see I'm turning it about 45 degrees and now we can take it out. And that's the brake light switch out. This is what the brake light switch looks like. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. And that's the new brake light switch, and that's the part number for it. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to put it on. We don't push that pin on the front, we don't push it with our hand. We don't press the pedal, the brake pedal, we just put it inside all the way and then just turn it clockwise about 45 degrees until it locks. And you can see that pin just pushed in towards the brake pedal. That means it's in the right position. If you press it before you put it on, you might there might be a problem afterwards with the brake light switch working. Now we've put the electrical connector back on, and then we're done with replacing the brake light switch. Now we go into the scan tool, we clear the code, and then we should have no problem with the brake light switch. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.